Okay, guys.
Crime scene.
Crime scene investigation.
What we do here?
Alright, I gotta come in. Hold on, I gotta spray some. Alright.
It's remove it and pull it to the top spray. Okay, grab some right there. Drop in the middle. You have to do it exactly like I did it. Oh gosh. Okay, where's another drop that's big enough? Spray some. Let's remove the spray. It's good.
Fingerprint spray.
You put the drop in the middle. And then with the rest,
Alright.
you do this. On the bottom, you rub it around in the substance. And then, it's Josh's turn. You put it right there, and then you can identify the print. And then, we will go to the computer for a fingerprint scan.
This thing's moving.
Yeah, it moves.
Gotta do it.
Come on. What kind of fingerprint is it? Crescent? Okay.
We found our subject.
Okay, let's go. Let's go look up on the computer.
Hold on.
Found our subject.
We found him. We need to go get him.
Alright.
Hold on. Go. What?
Who'd you kill?
Why am I holding here?
Because you have records on the computer. Come on. That doesn't mean anything. You killed people. And you may have killed this guy over here.
Hold on.
You killed this guy.
We gotta get back. Don't forget.
I didn't do anything. Put it down. Put the weapon down. I had something. You check my pockets. Sit down. Whatever.
Are you using an iPod?
It's not an iPod. Put your finger there, please. CSI finger scanner. Okay. Oh, CIA. Duh.
Found out our crime. Most wanted prize.
Found our guy.
Yeah, I know. Found him.
What is
Guys, I got him. Mom, walk to our area. Mom, does it see me choking you? No, go. Go to our area. Open your mouth. Open. Alright, we're gonna send him to jail. All I did is crack his back. Huh? Go to jail.